Hi everyone, sorry for 2 days delay. We are going to create this presentation and see how it's look like. Okay, you see it's a little amazing and you can connect this slide together to create something better and bigger. We are going to do that, but just for now, let's create this. At first, we need to create a circle. For creating circle, we select this all shape, hold shift and right. You see it creates circle. After creating that, we need to align it center, align it middle. Everything is okay. Now we need to copy this text. This is just a simple text. Okay, we copy the text and this thing. Some of you may ask how we create this. This thing is something you can insert from the icons. You can find it and insert it, but we don't have a good network. Because of that, I'm going to escape this part. Let's go ahead. Sorry. Never. Then what we should do, we should create another circles. How we can create them? We should create these two circles. They are just two circles with a text. I'm going to copy them. Okay. I'm going to copy them if I can. You see, we can copy them. Why? Because they are in group. I'll copy them and paste them here. Now, how we can create these two circles? These two circles are created easily. We write the text and then a shape, and we select text and shape and go here and group them. Okay. Now we need to align them. We send it to the back and send this to the back. We need to I'm going to cut this picture and paste the first one. Okay. We need to align them. For aligning them, we need to send it to back. Everything's great. But these circles have some points that make it greater. What is that? I gave them a shadow, top shadow, that make them look great. After creating this slide, we copy that and select all the shapes, and what we do, we just simply align them center and align them middle. You see, it's not in the middle. Because of that, we need to bring it to top. Now everything is created. Now set the transition to morph. You see the work is done. It's really amazing. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice time.